Namaste everyone, welcome to Wellness Unfiltered, a podcast where we cut through the noise and get real about health, nutrition and everything in between. I am Rotractis Shruti Pisode and with me I have Rotractis Twinkle Sakre. Our guests today are Sakshi ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, and we are going to be talking about health, nutrition, debunking myths and practical tips which you can use in your daily life. Okay, so number one question ma'am, what's one simple habit that can improve overall well-being?
What's one simple habit? See, I think being hydrated all the time is one thing that you guys can always, look into, because one thing obviously we are under heat waves right now. The weather is too bad, extremely bad. So obviously you need to be hydrated all the time. So that does not mean that you are simply drinking water. Okay, people are into the habit of using some drinking water reminder apps. I don't know what that is. So don't do that. Don't do that, because what you can do is simply have foods which are rich in. So cucumber is there, your watermelon is there, a lot of juices, fruits which can be intaken. So the first thing that you need to improve about yourself is hydration, which we always neglect. I'm sure madam will also agree with.
And the time when you have to drink, that is also very important. On the morning, when you just wake up, in the morning you have to take one glass properly. So that we don't follow. That has to be done. And after eating, after half an hour you have to drink, because the digestion, it gets diluted when you drink just after the eating. So when to drink, that is also very important. And because of this condition, weather condition, we have to be hydrated. Otherwise, the work that you are doing, you cannot do. You have exams.
You won't get air conditions everywhere.
Yeah. We don't get air conditions, correct. So students have exams, and mostly we have seen that during the exam, they उनको dizziness feel होता है.
Forget about
they forget
drinking.
हाँ. So stress और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है if you reduce drinking. So that is the major
The
thing that
simple
you
habit is to inculcate veggies, fruits, rich in water, and of course you also water intake should increase by
Right. So now, how do you suggest people maintain a balanced lifestyle without feeling restricted? Like we feel restricted ना कि यही खाना है, यही पीना है, और इतने बजे ही सोना है. So how do you think how we can have a balanced lifestyle?
lifestyle and eating habits, you are saying, no?
Yeah.
One thing is very sad, because this I have seen in college students also, and madam will also agree, and we keep telling our students, they go to the canteen and they will have that red Manchurian,
which is not at all healthy.
If you see the person's hands who is preparing it, his hands are red permanently.
Right.
Okay? Do not eat that. All of those things. Okay? Not to say that एकदम भी बंद कर देना चाहिए. See, many people are also into the habit of taking a lot of processed foods, which you should. I'm not saying that stop it altogether, but inculcate some good nutritious foods in your diet, which we already have in our Indian cuisine, right? So to say, okay. So घर का खाना खाओ पहली बात, which we ignore most of the time. घर का खाना, which mummy makes, dal, chapati, roti, all that is good for you. Okay. Along with that, so there is this one rule. I don't know if you know, 80-20 rule. So if you want to change something in your diet, so first thing should be that you are supposed to inculcate all the healthy foods, but don't completely devoid yourself from all the processed ones also, because your body will then react very differently to that. एकदम से बंद कर दिया तो एक दिन आपको क्रेविंग आएगा कि अरे नहीं आज मैगी खा लेते हैं, binge eating, and then when you are under stress you will not like dal and all that. So slowly and gradually, so 80-20 rule is like 80% of nutritious food, 20% processed चलेगा. We are not telling you to stop it altogether.
Yeah. We have seen students, we have actually taken to a trip where they have to do trekking. And we have seen some girls who are 18 years of age. Okay, they are in FY. They get tired by doing all this trekking, and we are like 10 years. I am 10 years elder to them. Still, I have been not.
Still young.
I am still young, but I am telling from the point of view of the student. She was not eating any vegetables. She was not eating eating any roti because we have provided them with food, the dinner. And we have seen that these girls they don't eat. मुझे बटाटा नहीं खाना है, मुझे ये हरी सब्जी नहीं खाना है, मुझे रोटी नहीं पसंद, मुझे चावल नहीं पसंद. हमारे कभी इतने नखरे नहीं होते थे. We used to eat whatever we get whenever. मतलब because we are from Botany. We used to visit different areas. अलग-अलग field visit होता है. तो कहाँ पे भी जाओ whatever we get we used to eat.
So basically the thing is that if you force them, they are used to processed foods right now. So if you एकदम से उनको force कर दिया कि नहीं अभी तुम healthy खाओ, that's not going to work. So that is what we saw here. So it's better always that धीरे slowly and gradually. That remember that 80-20 also nutritious diet and 20% of processed junk. उसका body take care कर लेता है.
Ma'am, the third question is like all of us like right now for the Rotract week we are very busy and we're not like most of us even the parents they don't get time to prioritize health, so they just end up eating anything from out. So my third question is regarding that. How can busy individuals prioritize their health without spending too much time on money?
So here I think I'm not sure what the terminology is, but now again there is a problem here. But many people think that अगर आपने खाना बना के सुबह रख दिया and शाम को खा रहे हैं तो खराब हो जाएगा. It is not like that. Okay, शाम को if you're eating that food in the evening, it's completely fine. You don't need to have fresh food all the time. That's why your stress builds up because every time you want fresh food. So parents भी ऐसे ही सोचते हैं कि अरे नहीं बच्चे को गरम गरम खाना चाहिए या whatever. Even individuals who are working individuals, they also they're also worried नहीं गरम खाना चाहिए. It's not like that. You can make food in bulk. Okay, we can take cue from the Western world wherein they store food.
Yeah.
Okay, so they store it in their freezer. I'm not saying कि एक साल तक रखो खाना उसके अंदर. No, but to make your life easier, आप store कर सकते हो. Nothing is going to happen inside the freezer at least. Frozen. उसके बाद उसको defrost करके you can easily.
For one day, I think there is
one day, 1 week. Also, it is fine. So bulk में बनाकर आप रख सकते हो. That is one. People might find it controversial, but it is clearly not because you can do that. Okay, and the food will remain fresh. So तो ये चीज़ है. I can give you another example. What my mom does. चटनी बनाते हैं. So चटनी भी सबको fresh चाहिए. And recently that movie came, Mrs. So they wanted a सिलबट्टे की चटनी which was freshly churned and all. Don't do that.
not possible.
Not possible for working individuals. Not possible for students. For mothers also to give the kids. So what you can do is what my mom does. वो बना देते हैं bulk में उनका चटनी and then she'll pour it into those molds जिसमें ice and then she'll put it in the freezer and whenever you need just one out and
Actually, for
defrost.
masala
Also you can do that. नींबू पानी suppose आप अभी ये गर्मी में you want नींबू पानी at your beck and call and you don't want processed वाला नींबू पानी. अरे freeze the नींबू पानी यार एक बार में संडे को निकाल लो. Just put it in a tray and put it in the freezer and whenever you need it when you go home, you can just put it in water, resubstitute it.
Also in India, which we have majorly we have seen that protein intake is very much less for mostly for the younger generations. So yeah. So what that can be done? You can keep nuts with you, different types of
Absolutely.
nuts. That is not. I think that can be included in your daily diet. And उसमें कुछ बनाना भी नहीं है जिसमें time consume होगा. You can just buy. You can keep it with you. And बीच में after 2-3 hours you can have it थोड़ा intervals में. And proper hydration.
So those hunger packs जो लगते हैं ना
क्या करते हैं बच्चे लोग लेस जाके खाते हैं जब हम लोग ऐसा फील होता है ना कि 2 घंटे में कुछ तो मन कर रहा है खाने के लिए. You go and buy Lays, कुरकुरे, which are absolutely not healthy.
Not saying that you should completely stop.
But उसके साथ you can add this nuts वाला mixed nuts होते हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे अलग-अलग.
You can take a cue from our principal sir.
हाँ.
He has this one
tiffin होता है
filled with dates. So whoever visits him for anything signature या कुछ या we are interacting with sir, he will just offer one. you'll never get chocolates or anything from him. Always dates or dry fruits.
It's a really good habit to have.
Exactly.
Probably you guys didn't know about it.
That ice one was very
Yeah,
good.
the ice cream is good because my mom, she keeps sprouts ready in the fridge. So whenever you're hungry or something, you take a bowl full of sprouts, you put
That's good.
chaat masala in and eat it
That's
as a
good.
snack. Like
That's
rather
good.
than having anything like chips
That's
and all.
good.
My mom is very against that.
Exactly.
That's very
Yeah.
So ma'am, our next question is, what's the biggest myth about health and wellness that people still believe?
biggest myth.
Yes.
I think I don't know about. So I can talk about one thing. I'm not sure. Again, it's controversial. People don't have chas or tak when they have a cold.
Cool. Yeah.
That is the time that you should be having it. And I am not saying this. I have heard it from doctors. My family is doctors, other families, like in-laws, not my mom and dad, but they are the ones who told me whenever I used to have some cough and cold, they will tell me specifically to have छाछ or maybe curd, raw curd, उसमें थोड़ा चीनी डाल के भी खा लो, कोई problem नहीं है. What it does is that it will fight with the the germs which are there inside your body because they are good bacteria that you are taking. Probiotics. It's like a probiotic drink. So it will not cause more khasi or more cough and cold to you. Okay, so that's
उससे से आई थिंक वो मुहावरा भी बना है ना, ठंडा होता है तो ठंडा ही काट सकते हैं.
same thing.
वैसे ही है ये चीज एक्चुअली.
So that's one thing that I can remember, a myth.
एंड मुझे और एक चीज लगती है, whenever people start dieting ना, उनका वो कंट्रोल करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं अचानक से कि इतना ही खाना है, इतना ही करना है. आई थिंक उसके वजह से हेल्थ का प्रॉब्लम और ज्यादा स्टार्ट हो सकता है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो
People call it calorie deficit or
Yeah.
fasting or something.
that shouldn't be happening because there
That's
are
many
many
very bad
बहुत बड़ा.
misconception what people
There are
have.
many cases which I have seen कि ऐसे करते करते the person इतना बीमार पड़ जाता है कि there is one example was only eating fruits, सिर्फ जैसे ड्रिंकिंग के लिए, कुछ बाकी खाना नहीं खाती. She died at the end. हाँ, there was a case. I don't remember the name, but ऐसा हुआ है सच में. तो नहीं करना चाहिए वो चीज़. डाइट जैसे मैम ने बोला, इट इज अ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल कि 80-20 वाला जो फॉलो करनी है, पूरी तरह से कट डाउन कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहिए. दैट इज अ मेजर
Body will react opposite them.
young generation are doing. I mean, I'm also young, but I'm telling this story so that you remember this. But
You are younger generation.
Yes, you are the younger ones. So they do this kind of thing कि ये इतना ही खाना है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं खाएंगे तो मोटे हो जाएंगे. ये अलग ही myth होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता. जितना ज्यादा खाओगे आप उतना पतले रहते हो एक्चुअली, क्योंकि डाइजेशन आपका प्रॉब्लम है.
Skipping meals कि हाँ ये खाना नहीं खाना.
दैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट myth. वो एप्स आते हैं हेल्दीफाई मी.
हाँ.
Apps are not
Good
going to
should
work
be
for you
not.
if
It
you
is
are,
not going to.
if you are wanting to be healthy, you can only do it. An app cannot do it for you. It will give you a reminder for sure. It will track your health and everything. But at one point of time, because it is a personal this thing which I'm telling you lose track of everything. You will not follow that.
Right.
एक दिन आएगा, you will delete that app, and nothing would have happened. So slowly and gradually is what you should be doing.
You should know your body properly. तुम्हारा weight कितना है,
Absolutely.
तुम्हारा height कितना है, तुम्हें कितना तुम्हारा BMI संभालना है, उसके हिसाब से whatever your strength is, उसके accordingly you can do that. That app doesn't know, मतलब they don't know कि
Apps can
कैसे
be wrong also.
हाँ, apps can be wrong.
The ones which measure your pulse rate
हाँ.
also, they are
That
also
can be wrong.
sometimes-
तो इसीलिए खुद पे डिपेंड होना है. And if you want to consult, go to the doctor. I think that would be the better option. कि क्या करना है.
If you have any
If you
sort of
have
disorder or
then
problem.
मल्टीविटामिन्स थोड़े टाइम के लिए इट इज फाइन, बट बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. बिकॉज वो भी ऐसा होता है कि योर बॉडी कैन नॉट कंज्यूम इट प्रॉपरली, मतलब अपने सेल्स में तो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो पाएगा. तो जितना परसेंटेज बताते हैं उतना अपनी बॉडी में जाएगा ही नहीं. करेक्ट है. सो उसके हिसाब से आपको आपका डाइट एड अप करना पड़ेगा, जो भी आपका डेफिशिएंसी है. तो दैट कैन बी हेल्प.
Yeah,
It's a good one.
Ma'am, the next question is, what are some underrated edible plants that people should incorporate into their diets?
Okay, there's what off the top of my head I can remember moringa drumstick. But
I was
think
going to say the same.
in the southern part of India, it is very popular, but in the northern part of India, people have not heard of it also. Okay, people don't know. So I think people in the northern part of India can definitely incorporate it. It has got everything that you would want, and it's a big tree. I'm a botanist, she's a botanist, so we know it's a big tree, beautiful tree.
And it is very tasty.
It's very tasty if you make it properly. अपने सांबर में तो होता ही है. So that's one thing. The other thing is millets. Okay, if you remember, 2023 was the International Year of Millets. So millets have been quite ignored since a long time. जब से wheat हमारे consumption में आया है, तब से millets have been sidelined, which were actually a staple of all of the entire community of our country. All the tribals are still eating millets. The only thing is production कम हो गया because consumption कम हो गया. And lately in 2023 they tried to popularize it, but it's 2025 and I think people have again forgotten about millets completely. So ज्वार बाजरा तो सबको ही पता है, but rarely we would go about and eat ज्वार बाजरा का roti and all. But if you talk about this Rajasthan and all, I've lived in Rajasthan, so I can give examples of how much
from
this.
Jaipur actually.
So there they have this bajra ka roti.
बाजरा का रोटला.
Rotla. Yeah, so another very good example. So my Dadaji, he's 98, still has rotla every day with dahi. Okay, doesn't have any issues, health issues, nothing. Okay, so that's one thing that I think we can incorporate. It's not a bad thing to do. Millets, moringa. And the third M I may add is mushrooms.
Mushroom. बहुत लोगों को पसंद नहीं
People,
होता
you said plants, but you know,
Other than plants, yeah.
there are fungi which are separate kingdom altogether. Many people, think that it is very close to animals,
yeah.
but it's not. Scientifically speaking, I'll tell you, it's a completely different kingdom
kingdom,
altogether.
yes.
And if you're thinking that it is closer to animals and you are killing it, or you're not. Okay, they are very resistant. They are like plants. They are.
Panja also associates with plants only. No?
That's what I was coming to. That they form associations, what we call as symbiotic relationships. Yeah, with plants.
She's a biotech student.
So you must be knowing
Yes, mycorrhizal relationships.
Yeah. But I'm not talking about mycorrhiza because you can't consume them directly. But you have button mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, maitake mushrooms, which are readily available in the market. Some of them are quite expensive, but button mushroom, oyster mushroom, आपको easily मिल जाएगा in the market, and it will really help you with the protein requirement, because vegetarians sometimes they are deficient in protein. Okay, so you can make up for that. Even millets for that matter, they also, people think that millets में नहीं होगा, but उसमें भी proteins काफी होता है, and fiber of course you will get.
Even in some places moringa का जो drumstick वाला part होता है, other than that leaves are also
Yes.
and reddish का जो ऊपर का leaf होता है जो तोड़ के निकाल देते हैं, that can also
That
be
can also
consumed. Microgreens होते हैं actually.
Yes, microgreens are very good.
That has to be consumed. मतलब ये हमारे country में थोड़ा कम होता है, but western countries में it is actually accepted.
Affordability is the thing, but mushrooms are affordable. Millets are kind of affordable. बाजरा and ज्वार को आप incorporate कर सकते हो easily आपके diet में. And moringa
बनाने में थोड़ा time जाएगा. But yeah,
ready-made,
ready-made
pasta and all, flour भी आता है. Pastas, and if you're fans of pasta and all, you can make that as
healthy
well.
pasta.
Millet pasta and
Millet pasta.
millet noodles. They have come up with different products. Only thing they are not popularized yet. So the 3 M's you can remember.
There were so many companies in Shark Tank who came up with this Wicked Good and all. They had ragi noodles,
Ragi
pasta,
noodles are
and
exactly.
There are
there are
companies which are there.
उसको फेमस होने को भी टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा,
हाँ.
क्योंकि लोग अभी तक वो पुराने वाले
We are wheat कंज्यूम, वी हैव
Yeah.
बिकम मीट कंज्यूमर, सो दैट इज व्हाई वो टेस्ट यूज टू होने के लिए टाइम
एंड हाँ मिथ वाला बात बताया था ना उसमें, इट इज अ मिथ कि राइस खाना चाहिए, नहीं खाना चाहिए और व्हीट खाना चाहिए. चपाती खाएंगे तो
हाँ,
डाइट
हाँ.
में ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और राइस में ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स होता है ऑब्वियसली, जो व्हीट में नहीं होता, बट स्टिल इट डजंट मेक अ मेजर डिफरेंस इतना. जैसे मैंने जवार
कॉम्प्लेक्स का
कॉम्प्लेक्स था, उसको उतना ही टाइम लगेगा. तो जैसे मैंने जवार बाजरा देन रागी नाचने वाला जो, वो ज़्यादा बेटर है. कोई बनाने में टाइम जाता है इसलिए, बट
popularize. I think from this podcast probably we'll be able to popularize this. And even I'm all for mushrooms also. Again, personal
Mushroom.
agenda है मेरा इधर.
नहीं एक्चुअली इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग जो इजीली न्यूट्रिशन मिल सकता है मशरूम, एंड सबको खाना चाहिए. बट वो
Being a mycologist,
ये
so personal agenda भी है मेरा, तो हर चीज़ में तो नहीं बोल सकती, but yeah. So moringa, mushrooms, and millets.
3M.
The 3M.
The 3M. The next question is, do detoxes, cleanses or superfoods really work, or is it all marketing?
Controversial.
Again, but I think Madam would agree. Mostly marketing. Superfoods, I won't say, because we teach that in this also. I think we taught these
Superfoods
people
are
as
topic
spirulina, and these are alga, which are again plant-like organisms.
Seaweeds.
No, biotics. No. So, so they are also good that way. The tablets which are prepared from these are good. Only thing is that quality control. Shayad, and there's a big question mark about the quality control, that what is being given to you, you don't know. So it's a fairly new thing. Superfoods are the future, I would say. I would say that is full on marketing, because we have seen it how good and nutritious they are. You have spirulina, you have chlorella, you have kale, I think,
Yes.
right?
Mm.
So all of these, kale though, it's brassica itself. So that you can definitely incorporate in your diet. But the other things, what did you say? What other words did you use?
The detoxes.
Detoxes. Detox diets are marketing.
Yeah.
That's completely marketing.
Right.
There are so many reels on Instagram saying this juice will detoxify your liver.
It can have the opposite effect. I tell you, your body is such a wonderment that it can detox everything that you are eating. Okay, so आपको detox के बारे में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं. जब तक आपका liver अच्छे से काम कर रहा है, detox हो रहा है body में. You don't need to have
अच्छा खा रहे हो,
हाँ.
बॉडी को जो चाहिए वो
And अगर खराब भी खाए तो भी
तो
liver
ध्यान रखता है करता है. वो डिटॉक्सिफिक वो भी डाइट जब करते हैं ना लोग, तो उसमें ये वाला वाटर पीना चाहिए, कुछ अलग अलग रहता है कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
It's a big marketing gimmick.
हाँ,
And because of the reels and everything, वो ज़्यादा popularize हो.
अगर आपको कोई डिसऑर्डर काइंड ऑफ है, इन केस जैसे पीसीओएस एंड ऑल जो रहता है, उस टाइम पे नॉट आई कैन नॉट से कि वो डिटॉक्स करता है, बट देयर आर सम कंपनीज जो डिफरेंट प्लांट्स को मिलाकर उसका एक डिकॉक्शन काइंड ऑफ पाउडर देता है, व्हिच वी कैन मेक अ डिकॉक्शन इन यूज. हाँ,
People call it green juice.
ग्रीन जूस. दे आर एक्चुअली लाइक ब्लैक टी काइंड ऑफ, जैसे ब्लैक टी लेते हैं वैसा ही
But then again, वहाँ पे quality control
Quality
होगा.
control check
यहाँ
करो.
पर the Instagram and reels and everything is just mixing some stuff together and then giving you
उसको बोलते
something.
हैं हाँ डिटॉक्स.
And I'm not sure that people would be. Somebody's calling. I'll take the call later.
तो ये चीज है कि तो तभी भी वॉट एवर यू आर इंटेकिंग, मतलब आप कौन सी कंपनी का लेते हो, उसका सच में प्रॉपरली हुआ है थोड़ा, क्योंकि इट इज बिकॉज वी बोथ आर द केसेस ऑफ पीसीओएस, सो वी नो कि ये डाइट काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. अगर हमने वो डाइट फॉलो नहीं किया तो वी विल फेस बहुत सारा मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स दैट वी हैव फेस्ड अर्लियर ईयर्स. तो अभी वो चीज़ है, तो आप कंटिन्यू हार्मोनल चेंजेस जो होते हैं उसके लिए ड्रिंक्स बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल है. बट वो आप कौन सा वाला ड्रिंक लेते हो, वो इंस्टाग्राम पे भरोसा करके नहीं लेना है कभी भी.
Quality control
Quality
is very
control,
important. So
हाँ.
if you're getting something from the market, you read the label and
हाँ.
see whether it is authentic product or not. research on the product first. Go on the internet and थोड़ा बहुत research करके आजकल everything is at the fingertips, so you can do that.
Exactly.
Then only go for it. And of course, you have to consult your doctor before taking any kind of. I keep on saying this, reiterating this in my lectures also. I think Shinkil knows. Consult your doctor.
Yeah. So now, if you had to give just one piece of wellness advice to everyone, what would it be?
Okay. I would say that listen to your body. Okay. Now, how do you listen to your body? You will ask that. So, your body will give you symptoms. Okay. If something is not good with you, it will be seen on your face directly. First thing that happens if you are dehydrated, also you start getting a headache. Okay. Your body tells you, "Bhai, ye kam hai, le lo." Okay.
Right.
So you have to look for those symptoms. You know how it feels to be not healthy and healthy. Okay, we have experienced sickness and health, so we know कि health में कैसा healthy रहेंगे तो कैसा होता है, sick होते हैं तो कैसा होता है. So you know your body will tell you to look for those signs if something like that is happening to you. Okay. Sometimes some people get some whitish thing on their nails as well.
Yeah.
या फिर nails में भी कुछ ऐसा ridges, furrows कुछ आता है, something the nails become brittle or something like that. So again कुछ deficiencies हो सकते हैं. We'll not go into the details of it right now. Okay, but the deficiencies you'll have to look for that way. You can go to your doctor and you can ask.
once in a while daily checkup एक पूरा full checkup होना चाहिए, body checkup जो कि नहीं करते हैं.
Exactly.
It's a very good point.
It has to be
once
done
a year at
once
least.
a year at least. And
Monthly
also
checkup, monthly yearly checkup.
Monthly,
body
don't go for monthly checkup.
even in 6
Yearly.
months once या yearly.
6 months, but then don't be alarmed. Okay, do not be alarmed by the results that you get because sometimes ऊपर नीचे होता है. Your body can recover easily.
अगर तुम लोग
Your technician will tell you, मैडम ये कम है, ये ज़्यादा है, ऐसा करके आपको 50 दवाइयाँ पकड़ा देंगे.
वो नहीं
not do that.
अगर आप लोग एकदम शुगर एंड ऑल खा के फिर डायबिटीज का चेक करवाना चाहोगे, ऑब्वियसली बात है कि डायबिटीज आपको
Exactly.
आप क्या खाते हो चेकअप के पहले वो उसका ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट होता है. बिकॉज इट एक्चुअली हैपेंड विद माय फादर एंड वो अचानक से डर गए थे. फिर मैंने उनको बोला कि आप सुबह ना बहुत सारे बिस्किट्स खा कर गए थे, आप बाद में वापस बिना खाकर जाके चेकअप करो तो तभी नॉर्मल है.
It is advised also ना कि
हाँ.
8 घंटे चेकअप के पहले 8 या
You have to
6
eat
घंटे
it.
you have to
Correct.
eat. You don't have to eat anything,
Correct.
fasting and
And one more thing, I think all the girls, because boys do, girls don't work out.
I know this point was coming.
Because I think अभी तो ठीक है, but when you go like near to 30, आपको थोड़ा चेंजेस आपके बॉडी में दिखने लगेगा, आप कमजोर फील करने लगोगे.
right.
एंड बॉयज का कैसे रहता है, उनका फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज को कंटिन्यू रखते हैं, जो कि गर्ल्स आई एम नॉट जनरलाइजिंग दिस, देयर आर मेनी गर्ल्स जो स्पोर्ट्स एंड ऑल के लिए होते हैं, बट देयर आर मेनी गर्ल्स जो नहीं होते हैं एंड उनकी बॉडी मतलब उसका भी बहुत वीक हो जाता है बॉडी. क्योंकि अभी जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है अभी के बच्चों का, अभी ये जब 30 तक जाएंगे, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे विल डू.
Exactly. Even when I am at home, I just prefer bed पे लेट के पढ़ना, bed पे लेट के ये करना वो करना. Even my dad in the morning will say, "अरे श्रीकिल, what physical activity करना?" So due to that, he has put me in swimming classes.
That is good. Swimming is a very good exercise actually.
Exactly.
Very good.
एंड कुछ नहीं करना है तो डांस
Yoga.
करो.
Yoga, meditation.
Yoga, meditation,
Yeah.
dance.
Correct.
Dance, not like rhythmic dance. You can do whatever you want.
Right.
Just close your
कोई भी
and
म्यूजिक
do
व्हाटएवर
whatever.
यू लाइक, यू कैन डांस. खुद का फिजिकल एक्टिविटी थोड़ा बहुत, बिकॉज ना अभी हमारा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी काफी कम हो गया. इफ यू कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विद योर मदर, उनका फिजिकल एक्टिविटी जिस तरह से था, जितना वो काम कर पाते थे हम नहीं कर पाते, और वो काफी डिक्लाइन होते होते जा रहे हैं.
It's also because of the environment.
Because of the
factors,
environment.
definitely. But we have to. All
We
the girls
have
have
to.
to take care.
अभी environmental
You guys are
factors
young.
change
You don't need to
every
worry
time.
about it. But be consistent right now. अभी consistent रहोगे तो 30 तक पहुँचते पहुँचते you will be in a habit.
मतलब मुझे डराने के लिए नहीं बोल रही.
And habit building is also very important. So कोई भी habit बनाने के लिए भी they say that there's a 2-minute rule. I'm not sure if you guys know. No, 2 minute.
21 day rule. I have
21
21
day. and be. It's 2 minutes. Anything you want to build into a habit, just do it for 2 minutes every day. 2 minutes you will say, अरे 2 मिनट में क्या हो जाएगा? 2 मिनट तो ऐसे ही निकल जाते हैं. So you will be doing it and slowly and gradually increase your time. This is, I think, somebody Atomic Habits करके कोई तो book है, James Clear का.
Yeah.
So he has suggested this 2 minute rule. So whatever you want to put into effect, be it exercising also, do it for 2 minutes. Forget about what the results are going to be. धीरे धीरे you increase it to 5 minutes, increase it to 10 minutes, increase it to 20, like that. So go gradually. Okay. कुछ भी एकदम एक्सट्रीमली करने जाओगे, you will bounce back very well.
फिर आपका जाने की मन नहीं करेगा ऐसे. आई थिंक हम लोग पढ़ाई के लिए भी यही एडवाइस दे रहे हैं.
वो listening वो होता नहीं है, वो लगाते हैं. But I guess this is what we wanted to say.
So guys, that was Wellness Unfiltered. I really want to thank Priyanka ma'am and Sakshi ma'am. We really got to know a lot outside of lectures, and I hope you guys had a great time as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.